What's up, YouTube? It's Pery-Ayes Real Life Adventures back at you, and as promised, I'm going to be throwing these lowering springs on my Chrysler 300. Just got them today. They're the Eibach Pro Series lowering springs, or Eibach. I don't know how to pronounce it. Eibach probably, but yeah, I'm going to be throwing it on the Chrysler. So stay tuned. I'll give you guys a cold start for this Chrysler right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Alright, it has currently been a week since I installed these lowering springs. I gave it a little time to settle just because I wanted to give that full effect. I will be doing a side-by-side, well, not side-by-side, but I'll be doing a comparison. I'll have a short clip of what it looked like before and then what it looks like now, but I'll show you what it looks like now. It's kind of on a hill right now, so it kind of looks different. I'll get it out on the street. But yeah, it's lowered quite a bit. I mean, you'll be able to see a little bit better once I get it on the street. But yeah, I'll get that side by side, or not side by side, but I'll get that comparison video in. As you can see, I didn't drop it. I did drop it. I didn't slam it to the ground. I got it just where I wanted it to be. I feel like any lower, it would have been too much. Like I would have been scraping way too much. Because I already scrape on this, like going up. I'm pretty sure if I don't angle this, I'll scrape. But yeah, I didn't get the ones I expected. I got the Pro Kit, Eibach Pro Kit, and I was looking to get sport lines. So the Pro Kit is sits a little bit higher. As far as the ride quality, it's amazing. It's better than what comes with the OE. Like it's stiffer, yes, but it's less body roll. It just feels great. It really does. And you could definitely feel a difference once you put these on. It's just stiffer. It feels better. But yeah, I think it turned out great. So I think the next few videos I might be throwing on a bigger throttle body and a tune. If not, it'll be something different, but yeah, stay tuned for that. Right now, sorry about that. Right now, I'm currently in Vegas visiting my mom's. So yeah, I might have a video about that in Vegas, but stay tuned. And as far as right now, that'll do it. If you like this video, give it a like, comment what your favorite thing I've done to this car so far is, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.